You think I belong in Sark?
I want to know about Sark.
Tell me
Why are
a
you
little
at
bit about
Sark?
Why are you
Aaron,
going to
why are you
Sark,
at
dude?
Sark?
Well,
Why would you do that? Why would you go to
Sark? What does that even stand for? Who knows what that stands for? It stands for specially allocated
Al-Qaeda. He said Al-Qaeda.
Al-Qaeda.
personnel.
He said.
So what the fuck are you doing there? Is it
I don't
because
even
you're?
know. I don't even know why that command wants to send me to Sark.
I don't know. Why do you think?
I don't know, man.
Who knows?
Some Al-Qaeda shit.
Well,
Tell me some intellectual stuff about snarpers.
First,
I
tell me
know.
where
I
the,
can't say it either. I can't even fucking pronounce
where's
it.
the Quee?
Where's the Quee? What's the Quee to Sark?
The Queen's lost. The Queen's lost. And it's probably at the bottom of the barrel.
You
And
are.
I'm gonna get to it.
You're getting
One
there.
day. I'm
You're at
gonna
the
One
bottom
drink
of
at a
this glass.
time.
Bottom of this glass. That's your problem.
He's getting to the bottom of the barrel, one drink at a time.
He's lost, ladies and
Just
gentlemen.
do it one time.
He's
for
hitting
me.
the wall. Look
Do it
at
one
him.
time.
He's hitting the wall.
Do Birdman.
Look at the eyes.